Police succumb to injuries in Old Harbour by crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF succumbed to injuries in a motorcycle crash in Old Harbour View on Friday. The deceased has been identified as Herbert Gale, a district constable who was assigned to the Hunts Bay Police Station. Reports are that about 5:30 p.m., the 35-year-old DC was riding a private motorcycle in the mentioned community when he lost control of the unit and crashed into a parked motor car. The JCF member was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.